So I hope you guys are well. So today throughout this small video, I'll help you to understand about what is the difference between Demat account and trading account. Right? Please watch this video till the end so you will get the idea about how Demat account, trading account and bank account which are interlinked and how they worked. Okay. So first of all, trading account come into picture. If you want to buy any securities, let's say if you want to buy TCS securities or if you want to buy Wipro securities, then your trading account come into picture, right? Without trading account, you cannot purchase securities. You cannot sell the securities also, right? Without trading account, you cannot purchase securities or you cannot sell the securities. What if, sir, I'm holding the physical share certificates? Then you don't require trading account. If you are holding physical share certificates or physical bond certificates, then you don't require trading account, as simple as that. So you can record that all the transactions in your personal accounting trading book separately, accounting, right? But digitally, if you want to purchase the securities from stock exchanges like NSE, BSE, then you require trading account from a reputed brokers like Zerodha, ICICI, Axis, or the institutions for offering facility as a broking account. So you require that account where you can purchase the securities, right, from a trading account. Without that, you cannot. And once you purchase, so you can transfer that security in your Demat account, right? So you require Demat account to hold the securities in a digital form, as simple as that. So it means you required you required Demat account to hold the securities in digital form. Simple, right? So who offer this Demat account? NSDL, CDSL. They offer digital account or Demat account where you can hold the securities. NSDL work for NSE and CDSL works for BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, right? So where they offer facility. If you want to access the BSE market, then CDSL will work for it, and if you want to access the NSE market, then NSDL work for it. But here the important is you require Demat account to trade the securities from BSE or NSE market, as simple as that. So here the mapping would be your trading account will be mapped to the Demat account, right? Where once you execute the trades, then automatically that security will be transferred from your Demat to Demat account. But trading should be done through the trading account only. So what is the main purpose of Demat account then? Main purpose of Demat account is to hold the securities, to safekeep, so where you can store the securities for a safekeep purpose, and you can transfer the securities as well if you want. So those are the purposes where you would see transfer the securities from one account to another account, right? Then what is the role of bank here then? What is the role of bank? If you want to purchase any securities, you require cash, right? You cannot transfer cash from Demat to Demat account, right? Demat account is for you can transfer the securities, and trading account is for purchase and sell the securities. Then you require bank account where you can transfer your cash from your bank account to bank account. When you purchase something, cash will be transferred from your bank account to bank account. So your bank account will be mapped with the trading account, and trading account will be mapped with your Demat accounts. So that's the importance of bank account, or bank will come into picture. Here if you see Fidelity, it means one of the again broker who offer the trading account facility, or facility where you can check it. So they perform middleman role where you can open the account, right? If you are an institution or mutual fund, here if you see mutual fund open the account, ETFs they open the accounts, and they are providing information where they maintain the opening balance, closing balance, available cash, right? Here if you see, correct, and their commissions, trading reports, everything, means all the information you can check it. Positions, close positions, orders, history, tax information, statement of records, all that information that you require to perform the reconciliations, to process the trades, or to work on a different transactions in a hedge fund, private equity, mutual fund, or in short investment business. So I hope now you got this idea about how the Demat account, trading account, and the bank account works, right? Here, let's assume is if you want to buy again TCS securities, and if you want the physical certificates, then that's fine. You don't require Demat account. But if you want this physical certificates into digital, then you require Demat account, and that process we call it as a dematerialization, where physical certificates will be converted into digital certificates. Right? Here, this diagram will help you to understand. If you are a trader, then open the Demat account with, let's say, JP Morgan. And once you open the Demat account, then you require bank account where you can transfer the funds from cash account to trading account. And once you have a cash, then you can directly access the market to purchase the securities. Stock market like NSE, BSE, you can access it out, right? And then purchase the securities. Once you purchase, automatically securities will be transferred in your Demat account, or instructions will be sent to transfer the securities in your Demat account where you can hold the securities, right? So that's how your process flow works. Process flow. So it's a very important to understand this, right? So I'm sure this small video will help you to understand about how this account structures or flow works exactly, right? And still, if you have any questions, you can post in comment section. If you like our initiative, I would say please subscribe, follow this channel, and share this content with others as well. Let them also learn it. And apart from that, if you're looking for any courses, curative courses or demanding courses, fund accounting, private equity accounting, or mutual fund accounting, so I would say you can enroll for a courses. Link will be given in description. Check it. Already more than 1,000 plus clients or students or working professionals across globe, I would say, they have already subscribed to our courses and they're enjoying it, right? So you can also join and enhance your knowledge for your better career or better future prospects, right? In case of any questions, you can call us on 3787609230 number directly for in case of any queries, and check the link in description to purchase the courses and all. So we'll see you in next session. So I would say just enjoy your weekend as well, and if you like this initiative, just follow this YouTube channel for more information. So we'll see you in next session. Thank you.